This is elephant trunk. Next see, which animal has stripes on his body? Can you find? Zebra. Zebra has stripes on his body. Very good. Let's discuss about the story. Yes, listen carefully. This is the story of the monkey. This is the story of the monkey. The monkey wants to be big and strong. The monkey wants to be big and strong. One wise woman. Who is wise woman, ma? Wise woman means an angel. Okay, one wise woman wants to know about him. That a wise woman gave one magic wand. W-A-N-D, wand. Wand means stick. Okay, the wise woman gave one magic stick to the monkey. To fulfill all his wishes. First of all, the monkey wants to become a giraffe. Next, he wants to become an elephant trunk. At last, the little monkey wants to become a zebra stripes. At last, he wants to become a zebra stripes. Next, his little monkey, all the wishes are granted. One day, the little man drank the water. If you look at the water, what will you see? You will see your reflection or not. Like that, the little monkey also saw his reflection in the river. Suddenly, the little monkey started to cry because the little monkey looks very ugly. See the picture. Is it very nice or ugly? This is look ugly only, no? So the little monkey started to cry and told to his mother, I want to be again myself. The little monkey told to his mother, I want to be again myself. The little monkey mother asked to little monkey, you only asked to all the face, like a giraffe neck, elephant trunk and zebra stripes. All the things you have to ask. Now why did you cry like that? Little monkey mother asked to the little monkey. Again the little monkey said to him, I want to be again myself. His wishes is granted. Again the little monkey became monkey. After that, one wise woman gave one magic stick. That magic stick the little monkey threw into the water.
Hello students, all of you look at the book. I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. I want to be big. Who says I want to be big? Little monkey. The little monkey says, I want to be big and strong. A wise woman hears him. Take this magic wand, she says, and all your wishes can come true. A wise woman hears him. Already I said wise woman means like angel. The angel hears his words and gave one magic wand means stick. One magic stick give to the little monkey, and she said, all your wishes can come true. Next, a giraffe comes by. He stretch his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. See, a giraffe came. After that, the monkey saw the giraffe. Giraffe. Did you see the giraffe? It has long neck, no? So, the giraffe eat the sweet leaves. At the top of the tree. So, the monkey wants to become like a giraffe neck. The monkey wants to be become like a giraffe neck. I want long neck, says little monkey. Pop. The little monkey says, I want long neck. Pop. His neck grows long, just like the giraffes. See the picture. The monkey necks grows like the giraffe, The little monkey is happy. Next, an elephant comes down to the river. Next, elephant. He fills his trunk with water. He blows it all over himself. I want to do that too, says little monkey. Bang. And the little monkey fill the water and blow the water to all over body. I want to do that. Who said I want to do that? The little monkey. I want to do that like an elephant. After, the little monkey says bang. Just like that, he grows a trunk. See the picture, like elephant trunk. Who has a like elephant trunk? Monkey. Monkey has elephant trunk. He is very happy. The little monkey is very happy. This is fun, he says. The little monkey says, this is fun. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. First what the little monkey sees? First he saw the giraffe, the next elephant, at last he saw the zebra. At last the little monkey sees zebra. I want stripes like those, he says. Whiz. I want stripes like those. See, the zebra has stripes on his body, no? Like that, the little monkey also want stripes on his body. He says, whiz. The little monkey has stripes all over his body, just like the zebra. The little monkey has stripes like a zebra. He is very, very happy. Who is very, very happy? Little monkey. Why little monkey is very, very happy? Because his all the whistles are granted. So, the little monkey is very, very happy. He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. Next, the monkey go to the river. The monkey go to the river to drink the water. He looked down. He looked in the river. The monkey looked down. He sees himself in the water. He sees himself in the water. Monkey see his face into the water. Mother, he cries, help, a monster. Help, I am answer. The little monkey cries. The little monkey started to cry. Why? What is meaning of monster? Monster means ugly. What monster means? Ugly. His face is very, very ugly. So the little monkey started to cry. That's not a monster. Say his mother. That's you. Little monkey mother said to the little monkey, that is not a monster. That is you. You want a giraffe neck, an elephant trunk, and stripes like a zebra. Don't you remember? The little mother monkey asked to the little monkey, you have to ask giraffe's neck, elephant trunk, and zebra stripes. Then don't you remember? Then why did you cry? Like that, mother monkey asked to the little monkey. The little monkey cries and cries. Again, the little monkey cries, I look awful. He says, I look awful. Awful means what? Very bad, very bad. The little monkey says, I looks like very bad. I want to be myself again. The little monkey says, I want to be myself again. There is a pop, a bang, and a whiz. The little monkey is himself again. He jumps for joy. The little monkey become monkey again. The little monkey become monkey again. Now he is very happy with himself. Now very happy with himself. See next page. He throws the magic wand into the water. Already I said wand means stick. He throw the magic stick into the river. He wants to be he never wants to be anyone else again. He never. Hereafter the monkey never wants to be anyone. Never wants to be anyone.
Judy Ling. Thank you, students.